What if I told you the most powerful tool that could change your life is already in your hands? Yes, I'm talking about artificial intelligence, not the future, but the now. Sounds dramatic? Maybe. But stay with me because what you're about to hear could honestly change the way you live. AI isn't just for scientists, tech geniuses, or billion-dollar companies. It's for you, for your everyday life. And if you're not using it, you're missing out, big time. Let me show you how AI can transform your life, starting today. Let's start simple. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. It learns patterns, it solves problems, it even gets smarter with time. You've probably already used AI today, when Google finished your sentence, when Netflix recommends your next favorite show, or when your phone unlocks using your face. But that's just the surface. AI is much more than convenience. It's a life changer. Now let's dive into how AI can make your life better, starting right now. Save time. Ever felt overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list? That anxious feeling at night when your mind races with unfinished tasks? AI tools like ChatGPT or AI calendars can write emails, summarize books, and schedule your entire week in seconds. It's like having a calm, reliable assistant in your pocket whispering, "I've got you." Make money. Living paycheck to paycheck? That quiet frustration, wondering if you'll ever get ahead. Use AI for freelancing, content creation, coding, and even trading. People are using AI to start businesses with zero experience. Why not you? This is your chance to break the cycle and finally breathe. Learn faster. Been out of school for years. Feel like you're falling behind? Maybe you've told yourself, "I'm just not smart enough." But AI tutors adapt to your pace. Struggling with math or English? AI explains it in your way, like a patient teacher who never gives up on you. Stay healthy. Worried about your health? Tired of making plans you never follow through with? AI apps track your fitness, suggest personalized workouts, and even alert you to health risks early. Imagine being more energized, more in control, not next year, but starting today. Make better decisions. Life's full of choices and regrets. Whether it's budgeting, job searching, or choosing the best product, AI can help analyze your options and guide you like a wise friend who wants the best for you. Because you deserve to make choices that build your future, not break your spirit. Stay ahead. Ever feel like you're falling behind while others move forward? That nagging voice saying, "Time's running out"? Learning just one AI skill could put you months, even years ahead. Picture having a digital assistant that never sleeps, never quits, and believes in you. Boost your creativity. Ever had ideas in your head you couldn't bring to life? Felt like your imagination wasn't enough? Writers use AI to outline novels. Designers use it to brainstorm logos. Musicians use it to explore new sounds. AI helps you turn your spark into a flame. AI is not just about logic, it's about unlocking your full creative potential, even if you've never seen yourself as a creative person. Your ideas matter. AI just helps bring them into the world. Break barriers. Language, geography, education. These walls used to stop us, but not anymore. With AI translation, text-to-speech, and learning platforms, opportunity is now global and equal. It doesn't matter where you come from, only where you're ready to go. So how can you start using AI? Here are 3 simple steps. Step 1. Start with AI tools. Try tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek for writing and ideas, Canva AI for graphic design, Notion AI for productivity, Google Gemini, or Meta AI for research. You don't have to be an expert. Just be curious. Step 2. Learn AI skills. Don't be afraid. Most AI tools are built for everyday people. Watch tutorials, take free online courses, invest in yourself because you're worth it. Step 3. Apply it in your life. Use AI to improve your studies, start a side hustle, build your personal brand, create content, automate boring tasks, and regain control of your time and energy. Don't just consume content, create it. Share your story. Use AI as your assistant, not to escape your life, but to elevate it. We're living in the greatest era of opportunity. AI doesn't replace people, it empowers them. The only people AI will replace are those who refuse to learn it. So here's the truth. If you have a phone, a will to learn, and a dream, you already have everything you need. Don't wait for the future. Create it with AI, with your mind, with your actions, starting today. You are the power. Let AI be your partner. The future belongs to those who take action. Will you be the creator or the one left behind? Use AI not just to live, but to thrive. Still not convinced? Let's get personal. Think about your goals, that project you keep putting off, that skill you always wanted to learn, that business idea is collecting dust. What if you had the help you needed to finally do it? AI can help you write a resume that gets noticed, prepare for job interviews with instant feedback, build a professional website in minutes, generate ideas when your mind goes blank. And here's something even deeper. AI can help you reconnect with your purpose. It clears your time so you can focus on what really matters, your family, your goals, your peace of mind. This isn't just about being more productive. This is about becoming the best version of you. You have one life. Don't live in fear of being left behind. Live it with courage, with curiosity. With the tools of today, you can build the tomorrow you dream of. Now ask yourself, are you going to scroll past this message or take the first step towards transformation? Because the difference between regret and results is just one action. You've got this, and we believe in you. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and want more motivational content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Next Level Motivation. See you in the next video.